Good evening all. I am Shubham Sudhakar Moite, Team Recovery 2021 from Anantarao Power College of Engineering and Research.
Hello all of you. My name is Nishant Tamanna Pujari from Team Recovery 2021 from Anantarao Power College of Engineering and Research, Parvati.
Here we are presenting Waste to Wealth from diffuse vehicular cum electrical bulbs, and our tagline is diffuse bulb can lighten the path of sustainability. The problem statement: according to Pune RTO, there is a 38.88 lakhs registered vehicles in Pune by March 2019, and this we know that the bulb, every vehicle has at least 6 bulbs, and we have to replace it by the year or a few years. By that calculation, every year lots of bulbs are comes in environment as a waste, because there is no separate collection and disposal system for the vehicular bulbs. Why vehicular bulbs are so dangerous to us? Because it contains the mercury and lead in it, and the existing methods like incineration and landfilling are its own drawbacks for processing of these bulbs. Our initial research: we visited over 400 garages, 40 garages and service center within the Parvati region, and we found that there is no separate collection facility for the vehicular bulbs. The most of the garages are dump these bulbs into the solid waste or burn it openly. In rural area, the scenario is even worse because they throw the bulbs into the streams or in open land. Our future research: we can see that the bulbs are openly burned, and by throwing these bulbs into the streams, they can pollute the streams also, because we found some elements like Hg and Pd in it. We have the solution. First, we have to develop a collection system which includes the identify the end users, which are local garages and service centers. Then we have to create an app which contains the information about the garages and service centers in the area. So we can contact us, they can contact us, and we can provide the collection bins also. Whenever these bins are filled up with the bulbs, they can contact us, and after that, the collection vehicle reach the garages and collect the bulbs. These collected bulbs are going to the processing plant where detoxification of the bulbs are taken place, and the metals are separated from the glass. Here is solution continued. The recovered material we recover are like metal caps, glass, tungsten, and mercury. These materials are sent to the respective recycling industry, so we can generate revenue from that and reduce the consumption of natural resources ultimately. Here is a valuation part. We know that the vehicular bulbs are made up of 59% of metal and 40% of glass and 1% of tungsten and mercury. From 1 kg of bulbs, we got almost 600 grams of stainless steel and 400 grams of glass. By selling them in market, we can generate the revenue of 100 rupees. But after deducting the expenditures like pay to the end users, transportation, processing, packaging, net profit is got by 66.4 rupees. And if we add the material like price of tungsten and mercury, it will also increase our profit. This is our initial prototype we made. Our current methodology. Our methodology contains the collection of the bulb and washing of the bulbs. Washing for remove the dirt and oil in it. Then crushing to expose the inner filament and separate the glass from the metal caps. Heating is carried out to evaporate the mercury, and this evaporated mercury are condensate in the condenser double pipe heat exchanger, where the vapors are converted into the liquid, and this liquid mercury are stored into the stainless steel bottles. After that, the magnetic separation is taken place, where the bulbs and metals are separated out. This equipment are used. We are going to use in the equipment like hopper to guide the bulbs towards the crushing unit, which is a shredder for crushing, oven for heating the mercury or evaporate the mercury, then condenser double pipe heat exchanger for the condensation process, stainless steel bottles for the storage of mercury, and compressor to pass the vapors into the oven. There is an impact. There is a 3 types of impact: social impact, environmental impact, and economical impact. The social impact is protect the waste workers from hazard like mercury poisoning and injuries due to the broken glass. And also we can create the job opportunities like in the recycling sectors. There is an environmental impact, like we are protecting the soil and water and air also. We can protect the air by incineration, by reducing the incineration process we are protecting the water by reducing the dumping of the bulbs into the open streams, and we also yeah, add here economic impact, like create new revenue streams for the waste pickers and garage owners, and recycle material lower the cost of the production, so we can add the new components in it. Here is our intellectual property right and published papers. There is a paper we have published on the topic of mercury extraction from vehicular bulbs and other CFL bulbs. Thank you.